Hi friends, welcome to our class. This is a GK class for standard 3 students. So let's first about the topic. Before going to the topic, I have some questions for you. Friends, tell me one thing. Do you like to listen music? I think we all are like to listen music because music gives us pleasure, keep us happy, and set up our moods, set up our sorrow moods. So, dear friends, when we listen any music, we also listen different types of tunes, like different sounds of different musical instruments, and some persons were playing these musical instruments. And for your better knowledge, let's clear me one thing, that India is the motherland of musical components, musical sounds. So today we know more about our musical themes. That India is considered to be the birthplace of many world famous music, dance and art forms, and also it is famous for its classical music. That's in different states there are different classical musics, different classical dance, different classical art forms in India. So dear friends, according to the musical instrument, there are different music maestros are there in India. So here are some famous music maestros picture. You have to recognize them and write their names with the help of this clue box. So first picture, look at this picture. Do you recognize this musical instrument? Yes, this is called शहनाई. This musical instrument called शहनाई. शहनाई बच्चों आप देखे हो शादी वगैरह में जो बजाते हैं, एक शहनाई, मतलब जिस दिन शादी होता है उस दिन सुबह पहले शहनाई बजता है. So this music maestro's name is Ustad Bismillah Khan. His name is Ustad Bismillah Khan, and he is a player of शहनाई, that is a ceremonial of like North Indian horn. With such expressive virtuosity, he became a लीडिंग इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक आर्टिस्ट. शहनाई क्या होता है? एक सेरिमोनियल ऑफ लाइक नॉर्थ इंडियन हॉर्न होता है. खास करके नॉर्थ इंडिया में ये जब सेरिमोनी था, लाइक मैरिज, लाइक एट द टाइम ऑफ न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज, ये शहनाई तब बजता है. और सबसे बेटर, सबसे मास्टर होते हैं ये शहनाई में उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान. हिज ओरिजिनल नेम इज कैमरुद्दीन खान, but after he is famous for the शहनाई, he was named as Ustad Bismillah Khan. Second one is, I think some of you can recognize him, and he is playing a flute. He is playing a flute that is called in Odia bansuri. So dear friends, his name is Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. पंडित हरि प्रसाद चौरासिया, यहाँ पर लिखा है उनका नाम पंडित हरि प्रसाद चौरासिया. So dear friends, he is an Indian music director and classical flutist. जो फ्लूट बोलते हैं हम उन्हें उसे ओडिया में बांसुरी कहते हैं. एन इंडियन बाम्बो फ्लूट इन हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल ट्रेडिशन. हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल ट्रेडिशन में एक बाम्बो से बना हुआ फ्लूट होता है जिसका नाम होता है बांसुरी, और उसके अंदर छोटे छोटे होल होते हैं जिसमें हम हवा भरने से वो बांसुरी बजता है. तो इसमें माहिर कौन है? इसमें माहिर होते हैं पंडित हरि प्रसाद चौरासिया. नेक्स्ट, थर्ड, at first recognize these musical instruments. This is sitar. You know that very well, sitar. And this music maestro's name is Pandit Ravi Shankar. His original name is Ravindra Shankar Chaudhary because he is a Bengali. So his name is Ravindra Shankar Chaudhary. He was an Indian sitar virtuoso and a composer also. He also awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 1999. और इसकी वजह से उन्हें इंडिया का जो सबसे ऊंचे ऑनर होता है सिविलियन ऑनर भारत रत्न, वो 1999 में प्राप्त हुए थे. तो ये है पंडित रविशंकर, द फेमस सितार प्लेयर. नेक्स्ट 4 नंबर, दिस म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज तबला एंड द फेमस म्यूजिक मास्टर्स नेम इज उस्ताद जाकिर हुसैन. उस्ताद जाकिर हुसैन. Ustad Zakir Hussain was the eldest son of tabla player Ustad Ala Rakha. He is an Indian tabla virtuoso, composer, percussionist, music producer and also film actor. So he is Ustad Zakir Hussain, a famous tabla player. Number 5, first recognize this musical instrument. That is called Rudra Veena. In Odia, that is called Rudra Veena. And his name is Asad Ali Khan. This music master's name is Asad Ali Khan. He was born in Alwar. He played Rudra Veena, which is the plucked string instrument. इसका मतलब देखो, ये वीणा में स्ट्रिंग होता है जिसके वजह से ही ये बजता है. ये स्ट्रिंग को मूव करने से ही वो बजता है. ही परफॉर्म्ड इन द स्टाइल ध्रुपद एंड वाज डिस्क्राइब्ड एज द बेस्ट लिविंग रुद्रवीणा प्लेयर इन इंडिया बाय द हिंदू. वो जो स्टाइल है, उनका जो वीणा का स्टाइल है वो होता है ध्रुपद, जिसके वजह से वो हिंदुओं से इंडिया में बेस्ट लिविंग रुद्रवीणा प्लेयर के नाम से जाने गए थे. सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, नाउ यू कैन रिकॉग्नाइज these music masters, and I also prepare a hard copy in which I have been write the names of these music masters. At the end of this topic, here are some homework that collect information about any other three music masters of India and stitch their image in your notebook. Second one is write 15 musical instruments name like tabla, dholak, flute, harmonium, etc. Then an extra homework, that is in page 18. Here is a wall clock and you have to join the outer clock's letters to interclock's letters to form a body part. So dear friends, do it yourself with the help of your parents. Write all these hard copy notes in your copy and practice for exam. Thank you.